Lead-acid batteries. For many years, cars have been powered by conventional lead-acid batteries. They are a popular option for older cars and entry-level vehicles since they are straightforward, dependable, and reasonably priced. When electrical needs are low and these batteries are frequently refilled during extended rides, they function effectively. They can provide sufficient power for starting in basic systems due to their architecture, but they have trouble with strong traffic, numerous short excursions, and high electronic loads. Lead-acid batteries are more susceptible to heat and vibration since they employ liquid electrolyte. Sulfation, internal plate attrition, and fluid loss can all eventually lower their capacity. Particularly in severe weather, this steady deterioration frequently results in delayed engine starts and decreased dependability. Lead-acid batteries are reliable under certain circumstances, but they are not ideal for contemporary cars that depend significantly on steady electricity. AGM batteries absorbent. Glass matte batteries, or AGM batteries, are a significant advancement in battery technology. AGM batteries are totally sealed and spill-proof because they employ fiberglass mats to hold the electrolyte in place rather than liquid electrolyte. This design increases security and makes it possible to install the battery in more places without worrying about leakage. Stronger starting power, quicker recharging, and damage-free handling of deeper discharges are all provided by AGM batteries. They perform best in cars with sophisticated electronics, large electrical loads, and start-stop systems. They are particularly well-suited for contemporary automobiles, trucks, and SUVs, where dependability and steady performance are crucial due to their tolerance to vibration and severe temperatures. Performance and power delivery is one of the main distinctions between lead-acid and AGM batteries. Higher cold cranking amps from AGM batteries enable engines to start with greater confidence, particularly in cold weather. Additionally, they provide more consistent voltage, which is essential for delicate devices. Under high demand, lead-acid batteries may experience voltage drops that impair performance. AGM batteries seem more robust, responsive, and dependable in real-world driving situations with frequent starts and stop-and-go traffic. In contemporary cars with automatic start-stop systems, when the engine continually turns off and restarts during traffic, this distinction is particularly apparent. While conventional lead-acid batteries deteriorate far more quickly under the same circumstances, AGM batteries are designed to withstand this continuous cycling without losing capacity. Additionally, technologies like power steering, digital dashboards, navigation, and driver assist functions run smoothly without lag, flickering, or warning lights thanks to stable voltage delivery. Sturdiness and lifespan. Another important benefit of AGM batteries is their durability. Over time, wear is decreased by their sealed design, which stops fluid loss and internal movement. This enables AGM batteries to endure longer, even under challenging driving circumstances. Although lead-acid batteries are strong enough for everyday usage, they are more susceptible to heat, vibration, and sulfation. Battery longevity becomes crucial in cars that are subjected to rough roads, off-road driving, or extended idle times. AGM batteries are perfect for trucks, SUVs, and work vehicles since they are designed to endure continuous vibration without internal damage. In contrast to conventional batteries, where internal plates may move or deteriorate under stress, AGM designs ensure that every component is securely fastened. Throughout the battery's life, this stability lowers internal resistance and aids in maintaining steady performance. Additionally, heat resistance is important, particularly in warmer regions where battery deterioration occurs more quickly. Lead-acid batteries' lifespan is shortened by high temperatures because they hasten chemical deterioration and fluid evaporation. AGM batteries are better at controlling heat, which slows down this deterioration process and preserves capacity over time. And prolonged lifespan means fewer replacements, less downtime, and more peace of mind for drivers who depend on their car on a daily basis or work in tough conditions. Upkeep and security. AGM batteries really shine when it comes to maintenance. They don't need ventilation, fluid checks, or leak concerns. They become safer and more practical as a result. Lead-acid batteries can leak or degrade over time and may need to be inspected. AGM batteries greatly lower the possibility of acid spills or corrosive damage to nearby components because they are completely sealed. In contemporary cars, where batteries are frequently installed inside the trunk or cabin rather than under the hood, this extra security is especially crucial. Leaks or odors from a conventional battery could harm internal parts or raise safety issues in such areas. Because AGM batteries provide steady, clean power without abrupt voltage swings, they also provide better protection for automotive electronics. Numerous control modules, sensors, and processors that are susceptible to fluctuating voltage are used in modern cars. Error codes, system resets, or long-term harm might result from abrupt decreases or increases. AGM batteries contribute to these systems' continued health by sustaining a constant electrical output. Furthermore, maintenance-free operation reduces the possibility of human error. Drivers are no longer concerned about incorrect handling or keeping an eye on fluid levels. AGM batteries are an excellent option for modern cars, where dependability and minimum maintenance are more crucial than ever because of their safety, convenience, and electrical protection. Long-term value versus cost. For many drivers, the upfront cost is the decisive factor. Lead-acid batteries are attractive for temporary replacements since they are initially less expensive. Although AGM batteries are more expensive, their longer lifespan, lower maintenance requirements, and increased dependability frequently translate into superior long-term value. Over a number of years, AGM batteries frequently turn out to be more cost-effective. Longer replacement intervals, fewer malfunctions, and a lower chance of electronic damage can offset the greater purchase price. Which battery is best for you? Knowing how your car is utilized on a daily basis is the first step in selecting the appropriate battery. A conventional lead-acid battery might still be adequate if you drive an older car with few electronics and frequently do longer highway journeys. During long travels, a regular battery can fully recharge in these vehicles since they put comparatively less strain on the electrical system. When used properly, lead-acid batteries can still provide reliable performance for drivers who prioritize simplicity and price. However, driving practices have a significant impact on battery health. A battery cannot fully recharge due to frequent short excursions, severe traffic, and repetitive engine starts, which speeds up wear. AGM batteries are a much better option in these situations. Even when the engine is off, modern electronics, digital dashboards, infotainment systems, sophisticated driver assistance functions, or start-stop technology put continuous load on the battery. AGM batteries are designed to meet these objectives without sacrificing dependability or capacity. AGM technology is particularly useful for trucks, SUVs, and work vehicles. Long idle times, off-road driving, and towing all call for a battery that can provide steady power under pressure. Additionally, AGM batteries work better in harsh weather conditions, such as frigid winter mornings or scorching summer heat. AGM batteries offer a significant benefit to drivers who depend on their car on a daily basis and cannot afford unplanned malfunctions. Why choosing the correct battery is more important than you may imagine. Stable electrical power is essential to modern cars. The performance of the battery affects control modules, sensors, and safety systems. Consistent voltage is necessary for even the most sophisticated systems, such as stability control, traction control, lane assistance, and anti-lock braking, to operate properly. Warning lights, system problems, or decreased efficacy of these safety systems can be caused by a weak or mismatched battery. Battery performance has an impact on the overall driving experience in addition to safety. Slow infotainment systems, unresponsive controls, flickering displays, and uneven operation of comfort amenities like power steering and climate control can all be caused by voltage decreases. Unstable power can eventually put delicate devices under stress, necessitating expensive repairs that far outweigh the price differential between battery types. Traditional lead-acid batteries are no longer the best option for automobiles with a lot of technology, even though they are still useful for older or less popular models. AGM technology represents a shift toward reliability and preparedness. It is built to handle frequent engine starts, heavy electrical loads, vibration, and extreme temperatures without compromise. When viewed over time, the higher upfront cost of AGM batteries often proves to be a worthwhile investment through fewer replacements, reduced maintenance, and better protection for vehicle electronics. In the end, The best battery is the one you never have to think about. It works quietly, consistently, and reliably, day after day, season after season. And when it comes to powering your vehicle, choosing the right battery truly makes all the difference. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your car type and battery experience if you found this advice useful. Your support enables us to provide you with more in-depth information and professional automotive advice. Drive carefully and stay informed.